Hey guys, what's up? I'm here with another video, and in this video I wanna discuss about another pair on Forex, which is usdjpy. As you can see at this tape, about this tape left. Okay, I set this chart in weekly time frame, and in order to determine important levels, and I realized that right now we reached one of the most important levels. This level, this area, we had this interactions and at several points it price stuck in this area, and in this one, for example, reverse the price, and we didn't have any specific interaction and to this level, and we were under this level since 2017, and now we are approaching to this level, and we actually hit this level. And okay, what do you think about this? When we hit important level, what do you expect? I'm telling you, when you hit the level like this one, it's better if you be more cautious about that. After all, as we all know, levels are so rigid about their essence, and they do their responsibility very well in most cases. So in this case, we expect it do its duty very well, which is reversing the trend, and we don't expect these levels break up easily, but it's not impossible. After all, we price will cross the trading range and exit the trading range, but we suppose, and our theory hypothesis is that it will return and reverse. So does this chart. So you might ask, okay, you talked a lot of but what's your point? Do you have a point? Yes, fuck yeah, I have a point. I have to add this one. We had this downtrend, and when you have a downtrend and you break this up, and after pullback you go up, your target is usually at the origin of this trend. For example, let's say we were here and you trade this, and you probably put your take profit at this level, and you would take profit at this level. So consider a lot of traders and institutions, they trade this swing and made let's say, okay, it's really considerable. In more than 2 years. They made in about almost 2 years. They made 762 pips, and they will. Some of them they will take profit definitely. So we can expect a trend change and changes itself, and we after all we're in a trading range, and based on according to trading range definition, you buy low, sell high. So we are in high. So what do you want to do? I would say, okay, you can set an order. You can set an order, short position, and you can enter after price break this down, this swing level down. We can enter the position. And you can make, holy shit, yes, you can make 725 pips, which is great. But what if it won't happen? What if we just go higher? Okay, let's check another other scenarios. Okay, if we break this up, we can expect and we can put your TP at these levels, and you can make about seems we can make 600, which is 600 pips, which is good. Okay, so far we discussed about trade it and analyze it. Sorry, just analyze it, and I give you a good setup. But what about lower time frames? We discussed about on weekly time frame, but what about lower time frames? At this point, you see this, yeah, it's fucking natural. You can have a pullback, and you can at least trade this at this level. Let me put this one into a box, and if I put this in a box, I can have a kind of a trading range, and you can trade it here, and you can also draw a trend line. can also scalp it in your time frames. You can okay, I was saying you can have a short-term trade and make good money of this. 200 pips, holy shit. Just found this one. Okay, we call this kind of trading multi-trading when you start from a weekly time frame and you just go in smaller time frames, and you can see there are a lot of setups and good opportunities for trade. And like this one, I said if it break this down, you can short it and make let's say 600 or 700 pips. And this one inside this trend, when you're in this uptrend, we can make you can both scalp this in your time frames, and in this time frame you can have a swing. Great, absolutely great. Let's see it in your time frames. Here you can take this one. You have a tiny trend is forming here, which is a pullback in this uptrend. What about 50-minute time frame? Yes, you still have this one. It's kind of a channel in 50-minute time frame. All of this are just great. You can make money if you be smart enough. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. See you later.